we are here today to teach you how to make, dillo come si dice in italiano? I beignets. So basically, I think they're called puff pastries in the US, and then we're gonna make our own like filling for them as well. So for now, we're just gonna go ahead and get started with making the actual beignets. So you need your piping bag,
acqua,
water,
sale,
salt,
zucchero,
sugar,
un uovo solo giallo,
1 egg yolk,
burro,
butter,
uova,
eggs,
farina
flour,
e latte.
and milk. All right.
Questo è tutto.
And then some powdered sugar for the top, and then we'll show you how to make the filling, the cream for the filling.
Ok,
Okay.
parte?
See.
Oh.
All right.
Si mette burro,
So you need a pan because we're going to put this on the stove, right? Perché si deve
Burro.
cucinare questo, yeah.
latte,
Butter and milk. Andiamo sulla... No, ancora no.
aspetta, latte, burro, sale, un pizzico di
A
sale,
little bit of salt,
zucchero
a little bit of sugar.
e basta.
All right.
E si va.
And off to the stovetop we go.
Quando bolle poi si aggiungerà.
Era abbassato?
Tutto, sì.
All right, so turn
Vai,
it
vai,
down. Put all the flour in now.
Questo diventerà il caldo.
And then it's going to turn into like a dough. All right, so our dough mixture is done. Bel profumo. Smells good. All
Raffreddare un po'.
right, let that kind of cool off.
Potremmo fare la crema nel frattempo.
Guarda, scaldarsi. All right, so we're just gonna let this sit for a minute and go on to making the filling and let this cool off. So we got 2 cups of milk, whole milk, and we're gonna let that boil. And then just a little bit of the lemon skin, just the yellow, just so it can absorb some of that lemon flavor, okay? And then you're just gonna wait till this boils, because deve aspettare che bolle, giusto?
Deve accendere
Yeah,
il latte.
so we gotta wait for the milk to boil, and the lemon is gonna give it some extra zing. So you gotta separate your 3 eggs from the egg white. So we're using, this is a new Pampered Chef product, the egg separator, okay? 1, so you get the perfect egg yolk. Diventa perfetto così.
Sì.
Yeah. Go, 1, 2. 3, okay. Then metti zucchero. So 3 eggs and your sugar and start beating it up. All right, so now you add your cornstarch.
Spegni! Spegni e fai a mano così. Ok. Speravo così. Ok, fallo asciugare e dopo lo faccio.
So once you mix all that together, strain the lemon zest and we're gonna pour it slowly into here.
Ok, fermati. Ferma. Poi girare tutte buone.
All right, so now we're gonna wait for this to boil and this is gonna turn into our cream that we're looking for. Crema pasticcera. All right, that's it. Now you got your cream. That was quick and easy. All right, back over here. We're gonna let this cool off. I think I need to try this. That's good. It's like a lemony pudding custard. I don't even know what you wanna call it. All right, now we're gonna let this cool off. On to the next step. All right, let's finish off our beignets. So remember we had this cool off. Ora mettiamo.
Cominciamo con un uovo.
We'll add 1 egg at a time.
Comincia a mescolare.
So,
Vai.
right, let's go. All right, so this is what you're looking for, okay? This like sticky dough texture. Now we're gonna fill it into our pastry bag. Here's a little tip. You can use a little bit of water just to kind of move the dough around and form it into like a more round shape, just in case you need to fix a couple of them. Just a little bit of water will help. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then they're gonna go in the oven, and we're gonna finish it off with an egg wash. All right, the beignets are out of the oven. So you can see they're super lightweight, and now we're gonna stuff them, okay? So we're gonna use the Paper Chef Easy Accent Decorator. We're gonna get our cream. We're gonna fill it up. Oops. Okay, and we have this long attachment here, right here, which is the one you want if you're filling any donuts or anything like that. Metti zucchero, basta. Mettila quelli già che sono. Then you just put some powdered sugar on them, and they are done. Shall we try? Okay, fa vedere? Cin cin. Ciao ciao.